Today we're going to show you how to register for a class that overlaps at the same time as another class that you're already registered for. This is called a time conflict. The first thing you're going to do is go to Banner Web. Click on Student Services, the grade tab at the top. Click on Student Records. Locate your student educational plan and scroll to the bottom. Here is a list of courses that your counselor suggests that you take. For this example, we're going to try to register for Education 50. Under Class Schedule, we're going to look for Education 50. For this example, we're going to try to register for this CRN 15330. Now we're going to try to add that class. Under Student Services, click on Registration. Click on Add or Drop Classes. We're now going to select the term Fall 2020. Click Submit. In the CRN, we're going to type the CRN for Education 50, which is 15330. Click Submit Changes. You're going to notice immediately that the class did not populate up here under Current Schedule, but it did populate down here, Registration Add Errors. The status of this class is Time Conflict with CRN 10295. If you look up under your current schedule, you'll notice the CRN for Drama 1 is 10295. This means you cannot register for these two classes at the same times, meaning you cannot be in Drama 1 at the same time that you're in Education 50. There are two options to update this error code. One is you can go back to Class Schedule and select a different time to register for Education 50. Or you can select a different time for Drama 1. This is how you will update your registration add errors that are located here.